Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M8 Pro and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all of the browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it on your own browser. So now we are in the browser and all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and then tap on delete browsing data. Here we've got some basic options like visited websites, opened tabs, cookies cache and other site data. Here we've got the time range, so from last 15 minutes to, for example, last 4 weeks or even all time. It's up to you. And then simply tap on delete data. However, remember, because those options are basics. If you wish to remove some advanced browsing history, tap on more options and here we've got them. So we've got tabs, saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. So if you wish to remove something, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. Here we've got the time range from last hour to for example, all time again, or last 4 weeks. And then simply tap on delete data. We just got back to the home page. As you can see, we've got the information deleted and it means that we just successfully removed browsing history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.